Hi, this is Mike, and you're on the Unosquare channel. I'm about ready to start the most dangerous video of my YouTube career. So next to riding in a car with my business partner Mario through the streets of Guadalajara, this would be the most dangerous video that I've ever done. I'm going to navigate a very steep ladder that's wet. And then I'm going to work my way onto a dock that's alongside the mighty Willamette River that is currently at flood stage. This river has already ripped docks off of the shore and untied boats and sent them down the river. And you'll see here in a second why it's so dangerous. Let me just swing the camera around and I'll show you what you're about to see up close. That is the Willamette River. I of course paddleboarded this river during the summer, which you saw on one of the videos, and it was not like this. It was very clear, it was very calm, and it was beautiful. Now we've got water rushing north, we've got it coming back around and rushing back south, and it's pulling with huge logs on that dock that I'm going to walk on while I talk to you. At the same time, I'm going to work my way down to the river via this ladder and try not to die. One of the reasons why this river is so crazy right now is because it's just moving so fast. And the same thing happens in business. If you were to choose a nearshore company to do your software development in Mexico or China or India or Pakistan or the Philippines or the Ukraine, if that company's growing really fast, you're taking a risk, because when things move fast, as you can tell, things get torn from the shore and the water becomes murky and visibility is not as clear. And one of the things we try to do at Unosquare is make sure we do not grow very fast. We are not trying to go public. We are not trying to get acquired. We are actually just trying to take great care of our customers. And that keeps our visibility very good. This is really not smart. Let me just swing around and show you what I'm looking at here. It's so beautiful with the ivy and the little waterfalls here, and it looks kind of like, I don't know, Narnia, just how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna just kind of keep my eye on the road here, if you know what I mean. One of the things that Unosquare does is we provide tremendous visibility to our clients. If one of our guys works 20 minutes, then you will only see 20 minutes on the invoice, and you'll see exactly what he did in those 20 minutes. Unlike a lot of other companies that show a guy working an hour, and at the end of the billing cycle you get a big invoice and you'll see, you know, you had 18 people work on your project and they worked X amount of hours and these are the items that they worked on. But that's all you see. With Unosquare, you actually see down to the minute what they do. So our hourly rate is one thing, but the visibility and the way that we track billing is another. Now, I'm walking on the dock. You'll see how much wood the river has torn loose, and there's little pieces of dock there, and the dock is actually moving up and down while I'm talking, and that's what makes this unsafe. If I were to slip on this dock and fall into this river for some reason, I'm dead. And this happens. People die on this river every year, and you can see why. It's quite a torrent. And so, you know, the point of this walk and talk is basically to point out how important visibility is and how much easier it is to have visibility when you control your growth. If you are an out-of-control company, if you're a vendor in this business and you're just out of control and you're growing so fast that you can't provide clear and consistent and accurate visibility to your customer is going to pay for it. And they're going to pay for it in quality, and they're going to pay for it with real dollars. So at Unosquare, we actually try to not grow so fast. We try to keep our visibility very high, really the highest in the industry. And our clients benefit from that. So thanks for joining me on the Willamette River as the geese fly off. and we'll talk to you again on the Unosquare channel. Thanks. Take care.